Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the front map lights in your Corolla IM or Scion IM. The only tool you'll need here is a small flathead or a trim tool and the replacement bulb of your choice. So going over how to take off this lens, let's take a look at it. On one side you will have this protrusion right here that slots into this hole, and on the other side you'll have these half circles that are holding on to these right here. So there's only one way to remove this, and that would be popping the innermost side out from these grips, and that's it. And once you have those off, you can just simply pull the bulb out. And to put it back in, just do the opposite. You want to slot the left side back in first, and then snap the innermost side closest to the switch back in. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, even before getting into the car, is to know you want to get in quick and turn off the lights, since these bulbs get hot pretty quick and you don't want to burn your fingers. So first you will want to take your tool and pry the innermost side of the lens by the switch so that it pops off. If your light turns on in the process, you can turn it off so it doesn't heat back up. Now that your bulb is exposed, just go ahead and pull it out and replace it. If you're replacing it with the halogen bulb, you should use gloves so that the hand oils don't create hot spots. Once the bulb is in, test it. If you have an LED and it doesn't turn on, try flipping the connections, since it may be the polarity. The bulb I have is non-polar, so I don't have to worry about that. When everything is working properly, go ahead and slot in the outermost side of the lens in, then snap the other side into place. Now that's all there is to it. I hope that this helped you, and thanks for watching.